My name is MD Kamal Hassan. I am a full stack web developer, especially in ManStack, MongoDB, React, Next.js, and Node.js, Express.js, along with Postgres and Prisma. And currently, I am studying at Political Science National University. My academic background is political science, but I have a strong passion about web development. That's why I'm here. And I know all about web application and web application gain and web application, yes, about web application. And I have developed my skill like advanced technology like TypeScript, Redux, Next.js. Also I familiar with Docker, তারপরে হচ্ছে Nest.js, that is the backend framework in backend express framework. And I'm eager to work native project and grow as a developer and contribute my impactful application. Okay. And my introduction, I love to play cricket. Also I love badminton and swimming, but nowadays I'm not doing this because my main priority getting a job. That's why in my free time I only write code. Okay. And also, yeah, okay. And in only Friday, I only Friday I play cricket. That is my whole interior overview. And my weak point, every when I learned new things, new technology, when I learned new technology, and I spent a lot of time reading documentation and tutorials that slow down my learning process. And when I get some error, facing some error, I panicked, very panicked. But when I solve this error, I'm very feel happy. Okay. And I also a strong knowledge about web development and backend development. Also backend development, in backend development I know about authentication and data secure, and also I know about database architecture. And first thing is in my previous day, when I create a application, web application, my biggest mistake was like that. I'm not preparing for any architecture and like architecture, the database architecture and database management, overall idea. I don't do that. I read requirement and into I get into in the code. But nowadays I'm proper analysis and of this full website, then I write code. That was the previous mistake in my mistake in my development side. And in future I want to be a good senior developer. Also I want to be a project manager. That was my biggest goal in my future. And my biggest one more goal is talking to English in fluent. Nowadays I'm not a fluent guy, but in future I want to be a fluent guy, and I'm talking very well. That was my goal in future, and that will my goal in future. Okay. And that was a basic overview. For me, I know that is not good overview, but I improve myself in coding and also in my communication skill. That is the very important thing. In communication skill is the very important thing when you are getting a job in the another country like USA, Canada, Australia. That is very matter. Okay, I also improved my coding skill and how to performance optimization in a web application. I'm working with it because this is also important for a client and a company. Your product how will work in a similar type or lowest time. That is very important. I don't know. Okay. Thank you. This was my introduction video. Yeah. Thank you.